If your audience keeps seeing the same ad over and over, chances are they're tuning out, or worse, getting annoyed. That's where Google Ads frequency capping comes in. It's a simple but powerful setting that lets you control how often your ads are shown to the same person, keeping your campaigns fresh and your audience engaged. Let's walk through how to set this up effectively. Start by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. If you're not already signed in, click the sign in button at the top right and log into your account. Once inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can view all your active campaigns and performance data. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on the Campaigns tab. This section is where all your ad activity happens. It's the heart of your advertising management. Locate the campaign you want to adjust and click on it. Then, open the Ad Groups section. Ad groups organize your ads based on shared settings like budgets, targeting, and goals, so it's important to make sure you're editing the correct one. Once you're inside your chosen ad group, look for the Settings option. Scroll down until you find Frequency Capping. This is the feature that controls how often your ads appear to each viewer. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you'll be able to specify how many times an individual user can see your ad within a given time frame. You can set caps by day, week, or month, depending on how aggressively you want to limit exposure. For example, if you're running a video campaign, you might choose to cap impressions at 2 per day to keep things balanced and avoid repetition fatigue. After choosing your preferred limits, make sure to save your settings. Google will automatically apply these rules across your selected campaign or ad group. To get deeper insights, you can also customize your data view by selecting Modify Columns within the Ad Groups tab. Choose Performance Metrics to track how your ads are doing under the new frequency limits. Pay attention to stats like view rate, click-through rate, and video sequence impressions. These will show how often your ads are shown and how well they're performing. If you notice performance dropping after setting limits, adjust your caps slightly until you find the ideal balance between exposure and engagement. In short, frequency capping helps you maintain control, professionalism, and viewer comfort. It ensures your ads are seen enough to make an impact, but not so much that they become irritating. By using it wisely, you'll keep your campaigns efficient and your audience receptive to your brand message. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create smoother, smarter, and more audience-friendly Google Ads campaigns. Keep optimizing, and you'll see better results without overwhelming your viewers.